it's your girl Red coming to you with another video showing you my coffee slash hot chocolate slash tea bar, I guess you could say. Please rate, comment, subscribe, show your support and love to me as I do to you if you have a channel. So this is my little setup. This is my first year actually doing a hot chocolate coffee bar. I see everybody else doing it, so I thought, hey, what the heck. I usually keep condiments and like my ketchup and pickles, all that kind of stuff up here. And then in the summertime, I usually use it for like my blender and I have an icy maker, like a snow cone machine. I keep that up here. So that's usually what I use it for in the summertime. So when I do that little setup, I will show you that. And I do keep my microwave up here. My kitchen is not very big at all. So when I do my walkthrough for my Christmas decorations, you will see the rest of it. But so this part, I just have a few little decorations up here. And I did get these. This right here from the Dollar Tree. Those are the only two I could find. I couldn't find the actual pot holders that come two. I had to pause for a minute. I thought I heard something and my dog is laying right here. But I think it was my freezer. But I don't even remember what I was saying or what I stopped at. What was I saying? I don't know. Let's start over. Okay. Well, not start over, but... Okay, so yeah, I was talking about those. I got those from the Dollar Tree. And I also have the mug to go with it. Because I just love that design. I love it so, so much. And I also have the cup to actually, well, it's not the same, but I have this cup too, and I do usually have this sitting up there as well. And I have the red truck one. I have the top to it also, but it's just sitting over here. But I don't keep this on my coffee bar, but I did get that one also. So these are the ones that I have that I keep on my coffee bar. I also have another one of these that I showed in my Dollar Tree haul that I did, I think yesterday or the other day. But it's a fall one. So I usually drink out of that one a little more because it's a little taller than this one. But let's get started. So what I keep up here, I keep just a couple spoons up here. And I have this that I got from the Dollar Tree as well. And in here I keep mixed candies. I just opened up a pack of candy. I got some turtles that I have from the Dollar Tree, and they're just chocolate with peanuts and caramel, marshmallows, and then I have the caramel M&Ms, and these are so good. And sometimes you can just drop these in your coffee and your hot chocolate, and you would not believe that it really tastes good. Or you can just grab it to go as a snack. And then this one, I got this from Walmart. I think it was like $3.98. And they are a lot bigger than the ones you get at the Dollar Tree. And in here, if I can get it open. Okay, and this one I just keep mixed nuts, like walnuts and peanuts in here. There goes my spoons. So that's what I keep in that one. And I just keep those on top of there. And I keep a candle up here. Grab my spoons. And I keep two mugs. I got this. Somebody gave me this for Christmas. It was two of them. I dropped one and the other one broke. So I got this for Christmas last year. It was like hot chocolate in the packs with it. And I've already showed you this one. And I have mixed teas in here. I got this tub. I was going to make a tiered tray to go right here, but my thing is like so short right here. It would have to been short, so I just didn't do it. I just got a container, a bowl right here, and I thought these were cute. with the little red trucks on it. So, and here I keep mixed teas. I got 2 different kinds of tea. I have the apple and cherry. And then I have the vanilla chai tea. And then I keep I only drink instant coffee. I don't have a coffee pot. So I have instant coffee and the powdered creamer. And I do have liquid creamer, but I keep it in the refrigerator. And then I have pumpkin spice. I have some cinnamon. And down in here, a few things of powdered creamer. Somewhere in here. Yeah, just a few things of a non-dairy powdered creamer. But I really don't use it. And then I have some of these. And I know these go to a Keurig, but they're Hershey's. And I couldn't find these in any other creamer kind. So I just got the Keurig pack. And I just put 1 or 2 or 3 of these in my coffee cup. So it, does pretty much the same. And then I have these strawberry sensation breakfast essential packs. And then I have some hot chocolate packs back here with marshmallows. And in here, well, in this first one I have sugar. And let me move these back over here. And y'all, if I talk too fast, just tell me. I don't know why I do that, but I do have a habit of just talking really fast sometimes. So if I do, tell me to slow down. Just comment, say, yeah, agree. There goes all my damn spoon. Oh my goodness. But anyway, just tell me that I talk too fast. Just comment and say, yeah, girl, you do talk too fast. And I promise you I will slow down. So I'm just full of energy right now. I'm trying to get everything done so I can go to bed. It's been a long day and I'm tired. I'm trying to get some videos out before I take a shower and lay it down. But I got these from the Dollar Tree, and all I did was get some ribbon from the Dollar Tree and just tie it around it. I can't make a bow for nothing, so I know that. So my bows ain't pretty, but I just tied something around it. And then this one I keep sugar. Now back here I do have packs of Splenda, because I do use Splenda. And also in here I opened up a few packs of hot chocolate. You can tell because it looks mixed. And I mixed a few packs of hot chocolate with some cappuccino. So it gives it like a little added flavor where you don't have to add sugar or milk actually. So I just drink it like that, and I think it's really, really good. If you haven't tried it, you should really try it. Just get a thing of cappuccino and I think it's mocha cappuccino, I believe. They have different flavors. So I just added some cappuccino and a few packs of hot chocolate, and I shook it up. It doesn't look shaken up because it's full, but I just shook it up really good. And I just drink it mixed like that, and I think that's really good. And this is something that I made, and I didn't do a DIY on it because it was like so simple that it didn't even take 2-3 seconds to do. So I didn't even think it was worth like DIYing. But this is a frame that I already had. You can use any frame. So I had already had this, and what I took was a card, a Christmas card, and I had some paper, some Christmas paper that I lined behind it, and all I did was tape it to a piece of cardboard, like the cardboard pieces that come with the frame. And I just taped it in there and put it back on, and that was it. That's all I did. But let me say, this is a raised frame. So what I could have did was like put some snow or put like something inside of here. So I may redo this and do a DIY on this. And I'm thinking that would be really cute, but I didn't think about that until afterwards. I was like, I should have done that. So I would have to take this out, like picture, the card back out to put something in the inside of it. Because you can, well, I guess you can't really tell, but you can see how it's raised from the glass. So on my coffee bar, I have a few of the red truck things. And then I have this. And, oh, this right here, this candy cane, the candy cane frame came from the Dollar Tree, but I took it apart. This is the bow that came on it, and I kept the bow part with it, and I just redid it all myself. I'm thinking this part may have came with it. Yeah, I think this came on it, and the ribbon I bought from the Dollar Tree, and the balls, and I just redid the wreath myself, and I like it better the way I did it than the ones that they had there. I actually have 4 of them, and out of all of those candy cane wreaths, I could only find this one, and that's why I redone it, because I'm like, I can't find none of the other ones, so I just redid this one. So that is my coffee bar / hot chocolate / tea bar. So thank you guys. Like I said, please rate me, give me a thumbs up, comment, subscribe, and hit the little subscribe button again in the corner down below, and you will get an update every time I do a video. And like I said, I have a lot more coming out. So thank you for watching.